Assalamu alaikum students. I am your English teacher and I welcome you all in online class. Today we are going to do recount writing. Open page 91 of English practice book, Recount Writing My Dream. Recount writing is retelling or recounting of an event or an experience. Its purpose is to tell what happened. It may be factual or imaginative. रिकाउंट राइटिंग में आप किसी ऐसे इवेंट के बारे में लिखते हैं जो कि माजी में हो चुका हो और आप उसे दोबारा से बयान कर रहे हैं. देयर आर सर्टेन पॉइंट्स विच यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड वाइल राइटिंग अ रिकाउंट. राइट योर रिकाउंट इन द फर्स्ट पर्सन बिकॉज इट हैपन टू यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई फेल्ट नर्वस, आई गॉट स्केयर्ड. यूज द पास्ट टेंस बिकॉज इट हैज़ ऑलरेडी हैपन्ड. रिकाउंट्स आर रिटन इन द ऑर्डर इन विच दे हैपन्ड. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको तरतीब का ख़ास ख्याल रखना होगा. जिस तरतीब में कोई भी इवेंट हुआ है आप उसको उसी सीक्वेंस के साथ लिखेंगे. एंड एडवर्ब्स लाइक फर्स्टली, देन, नेक्स्ट, फाइनली आर यूज्ड while writing a recount. You can also see a box words to help me at the bottom of the page. You can take help from the box and write recount. Recount writing my dream. On Sunday, it was a creepy morning. The weather was cloudy. Dark clouds covered the whole sky. Then I came downstairs. When I was coming down, I realized that the morning turned into lunchtime. The food on the table seemed delicious, but my family mysteriously vanished in front of my eyes. After that, I tried to find my family. When I came out, it was dark and seemed that the evening had arrived. I got scared of what was happening to me. Next on, I opened the door. It seemed frightening to know that a giant was right in front of me. His long hands started stretching to catch me. His teeth were long. He had long nails. As he was about to catch me, I made a loud cry for help. Finally, I woke up and realized that it was just a dream. Homework. You have to write Recount Writing My Dream on the practice book and learn it as well. Thank you.